Understanding the phrase, square off with, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating English phrase, square off with. This phrase is commonly used in both casual and formal conversations, and understanding it can really enhance your English communication skills. So, let's dive in and discover what it means and how you can use it effectively. Square off with is an idiomatic expression in English. To square off generally means to prepare or get ready for a confrontation, challenge, or competition. This confrontation can be physical, like in sports or a fight, but it's often used metaphorically to refer to any kind of challenge, such as a debate or a tough negotiation. This phrase likely originated from the practice of boxers or fighters, squaring off, before a match, standing face to face in a square ring. Over time, the phrase evolved to be used in various contexts. For example, in sports, the two teams will square off with each other in the championship game. In business, the company is squaring off with competitors in the market. Let's look at some examples to understand how to use this phrase in everyday conversation. 1. The candidates squared off with each other in a heated debate last night. 2. I have to square off with my supervisor about the new project plan. Notice how the phrase can be used to describe both confrontational and competitive situations. There are several synonyms and variations of square off with that you might come across. Some of these include face off against, confront, go head to head with. These variations can often be used interchangeably, but the context can slightly alter their meanings. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and use of the phrase, square off with. Remember, idiomatic expressions like this are a key part of mastering English, so try using this phrase in your conversations. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.